Because you've crossed that line, you've rationalized it, you've justified it. It's become the normal process. Nothing happened. It didn't seem like a big deal. Nobody seemed to care. So whatever you do, you have these tests in life, will get easier for you, even if it's hard in the beginning. That's why it's so important that you choose that direction, that road, intentionally and carefully, because your integrity will be really important to you. It is taught that you should plant a tree, and that you should have children, and that you should write a book. And of course, you don't have to do any of those things. Really, the message is that you should leave the world a little bit better than you found it. That you should add to it, you should help it to grow in some way. And I am absolutely persuaded that in that process, the way to do that is through the daily good that you do. Daily kindness will stand. The daily good that you do will count. The opposite is also true. Daily hurt, harm you do also has an impact. 3 years from now, not a single resident will know who Jeff Support is in the same way that we are all. And that's okay. Because we are all connected. These are the things that will matter, the daily good that you do. And so that's where your focus should be. You don't have to complete the work, but you're not at liberty to ignore it either. So just jump in and do a little bit, and you'll be surprised. At the end of a lot of days of doing a little bit, you've done a lot. It really is also simple. You just start a lot of fun.
First thing I said when I was looking at this picture, tie is not tie. But I said, yeah, that is Jeff. And I will often say it's also optimistic for Dr. Ben's.
There you go. Give it a couple of years.
Give it a couple of years.
Thank you, Greg. Great. Thank you.
So, we have a few more presentations to make, but when we run outside, we'll grab some food, come on back here. We have a few last comments and presentations to make from here. So, Dr. Cooper, would you like to lead the way?
We have a nice pet lunch today. Our crew has agreed for a Thai food on for us.
Oh, that's right. About pauses. It's still going, right?